Hi dear Hannah, how are you? This video probably is long, but I think it's very helpful to let you know some options of materials for cover. They are all special paper. They have different colors and different textures. This is just one style. I will show you many other options. They are like leathers, genuine leathers. It has textures, black color, brown color, silver, rose gold. When you are interested in one of them, you can tell me. I can take more detailed photos for a certain one, okay? This is one butcher. There is some fabric in different colors, different textures. Fabric. They all have some textures. Elegant pattern in different thickness. This is the beige color. And this is one fine grade. It is one new color, new texture. Fine texture. This is beige color, but in same texture. They are all fine grade. This one is canvas pattern. It is the beige canvas pattern. This is one new texture, new pattern. The beige color. And this is a new one. Is fabric, the tree fiber pattern. Tree fiber pattern. It's beige color. Okay, this is some options. The different colors. It's different colors. This is one pattern. Just like this is a new one. like fabric, right? Different colors. It's little glossy. It's a champagne veins, crystal veins. Very interesting. It has small shining stars. If I can see the actual paper in front of me. The same texture, they have different colors. It's icy veins, acid veins. It is Store Dream. Store Point. Okay. It has pattern. It's a color sand veins with different colors. Gray color, deep gray, chocolate, craft paper is light brown color, purple. This is a very interesting texture. Is a lunar critter in different colors. It's a very interesting modern veins in different colors. It's a new texture with different colors. This is a new one. Different colors. And this one. Okay. It's very flight, it's very skin feel, no texture. This has little veins, little pattern, very light. And this one has veins, has patterns. It is the egg shell pattern, just like the surface of egg. And this one is linen, copied linen. This is frost. In different colors. And this is the brushed like metal feeling in the gold color, silver. It's shiny. Rose gold. Okay. It has very interesting pattern. It's fun. Velvet. Different colors. This one. It's beauty skin, just like skin. Different colors. And we also have many. I think you probably interesting this paper with some patterns. This has pattern, as you can see. They all have pattern. They all have pattern. Okay, so this video is very long, and we also have many patterns as this one. This one. This is one pattern, and this is one pattern. This is one pattern. Okay. They off light. They have pattern, as you can see. This one they have a variety of different textures from this one, as we can see. Very classic. This one. This one. if you need me to take picture for some certain textures or patterns, you can let me know. I can make more videos about your interested patterns. They're all in high quality, but their material cost is also slightly higher than our normal offside or coated paper. And usually, previously we used the coated paper, normal coated paper, as the cover surface paper material. The texture is very small. Probably you don't interested in them, so I'll change another one. Okay, Hannah, if you have any question, please feel free to let us know, and we can use all materials we can source from the paper market, okay? And we are factory to provide the customization service, so we can source any material from the market. Thank you so much.